Hi everybody, good morning. This is Jean here, Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for You. We just got back from up in the Pocono Mountains. As you know, some of our kids have cabins and a house up there. We went to the cabins actually. It's our son's property. He has 2 cabins that are completely off the grid, but it's sure not like hard camping. There's electricity and solar panels and hot water, or well. It's really very nice. So we just went up there, very spur of the moment, with our dear friend Ying and her husband Jared and the twins. And then our other kids were at their other mountain house, and we had a really lovely time. So we just came back, and Maxwell just came in. He said, "Film me, Mom." I'm like, okay. So the next what you're going to be seeing, after I put some pictures up of our couple days away, is Maxwell, and he says, "This is for your mothering autism video, your playlist." So obviously I'm not ready to be filmed. I'm like, I just woke up. I said, "Are you sure?" So this is a day in the life of Maxwell, who's going to be 24 years old, and as you know, highly functioning autistic. But this is what we have every day. So sweet. So I'm going to pick some pictures up. I am going to be working on my, let me just see if it's over there. I'm going to be working on my quilt. I got lots of suggestions on how I'm going to finish my quilt. Thank you so much. That will be coming up next. Seriously, Maxwell. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video. Compliments of Maxwell Truelove. Quilts for you. All right, folks. I'll check back later. Progress on my quilt. My hexagonal quilt. All right. Love from the Trueloves. See ya. Enjoy the video.
Hello? Why are you recording me, Mother? What are you doing?
We're getting ready to leave.
Ready to leave? I have to take a shower though.
No, don't take a shower. Take a shower. No, stop!
I smell.
No, you don't actually. Take a shower tonight. Maxwell, no, you don't. You take a shower tonight before our meeting.
I don't like getting in clean clothes on with a dirty body.
No, we'll put on a... Maxwell, that's disgusting. You never smell. You smell always good. Why do you smell always good?
I put a pound of deodorant on.
A pound of deodorant. It's very, very good. You're very, very...
What was their first name?
Sorry? In England?
Yeah.
Dr. Brian and Dr. David. Yeah. Okay. Well, we're going to that bakery.
Okay.
Okay. Why are you sitting here? Oh, you came in to chat with me. Oh, it was nice. Did we have a nice weekend?
Yeah, we did. I panicked and packed I packed a ton of clothes for a week, all my consoles, but I shouldn't have brung. I already have a packed console, my Switch.
Okay, so we were invited up to the mountain house, the cabins, for 2 days, and you took... What did you take, Max?
My PlayStation 5, the Series X, the Switch, week's worth of clothes, no toothbrush.
No toothbrush.
No slides.
No, and I said all you needed to bring was like one overnight thing, a toothbrush, some deodorant.
You brought only 2 pairs of. You brought 1 pair of clothes.
I bought 1 pair, and I didn't take a shower. Actually, I took a shower on this 3rd day.
I took a shower both nights.
Did you? In their cabin, you took a shower? Because they're completely off the grid. I took a shower. It was really quite nice.
Yeah, it's instant hot water.
Yeah, instant hot water. Completely off the grid. My goodness, we walked in and there was heating and it was nice.
What's your thoughts on me shaving the mustache off?
Oh, Maxwell. Oh, I quite love your mustache. I think people like your mustache. Yeah, why would you want to shave it off? It's sort of, it goes with you.
Pain to deal with.
Is it a pain? Let me see.
Sometimes
Let me see up close.
It's a pain to deal with.
Does it need to be trimmed? Oh.
Get out of here. Stop trying to zoom. Get out of here.
No, I'm just trying to show your lovely mustache.
Just...
Why? What's with
the
it?
upkeep, it's annoying.
Is it? Yeah.
What, do I look like babyface?
No, you don't. You don't look a baby face, but I have to trim it sometimes, or else it gets too straggly. But you do a good job.
Or do I do it like a handlebar?
No, you don't do a handlebar mustache. Maxwell, babe. Anyway, we're gonna go.
We're not in say we did.
No, Maxwell, we gotta get out of the house again and have a nice. Daddy's home.
I've been out of the house.
You've had a life actually this year.
Yeah. Can I like not go?
No, you're gonna come with us. Please.
If I have a choice in the matter, I prefer. And plus, I could use that laundry machine of yours.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I know. I don't trust anybody with my washer and dryer, because if they break, what happened with Niles? What did Niles do? He said, Mom, let me do the laundry.
He had shoved every stinking thing of his laundry, and we was like, whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
And I came out, I went downstairs to our laundromat in the old house, and there was 22 pairs of jeans and 6 towels. And my poor washer, I said, thank you so much, but perhaps I'll do the laundry. I can't afford to have my machines broken.
What if you and Dad are not here and I need to do laundry?
Yeah, I trust you.
Yeah, not really.
Not really. No, I do. You do a lot of other things. Please stop playing with scissors. Stop it. Stop.
I'm not hurting anybody with this.
Maxwell, put the scissors down. Do not run with scissors. Oh, put that down. You silly boy. Okay, we're going to go. You don't need to have a shower.
I'm taking a shower.
I want you to have a shower. Daddy's in the shower. I want you to have a shower later on, and I want to go before it gets too late. Okay?
It's fine.
It's fine.
And plus, I have my room to clean, laundry to do.
Places to go, people to see.
Who am I seeing?
Us, Mom and Dad.
Besides
Mom and Dad.
Besides Mom and Dad.
That's exciting for you.
Yeah.
Do you miss having your 9 siblings around? Aw, was that a sensitive question?
No. I don't miss. Get him out of here.
Stop.
What? Get him out of here.
They've been out for years.
Yeah, get him out.
Stop. You loved being with your nieces and nephews. Aw, dear little Bjorn. He's the sweet child.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are. It was lovely being with the family. And the twins. When Daddy gets out of the bathroom. Okay? Because we're going to go. We're going to go to that new bakery.
Excited for Sunday.
You're excited for Sunday?
Yeah.
I thought it was Saturday. The Renaissance Fair?
That's Sunday.
Oh, I thought it was Saturday.
Is it Saturday?
What day is it? October 7th?
I believe it's...
October 7th is Saturday.
Is it Saturday?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. All right.
We have to work on that outfit.
I know we do. Yeah, okay.
Maybe we work on that instead of going out places.
Maxwell, we can do that. We could do that later. It's a beautiful day and I wanted to go out.
We have today, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 4 days.
Okay.
And we made no progress.
We'll sort it out. We'll sort it out. And then I'll take a picture of your outfit.
Hey, can you order me some stuff?
I saw that thing on Amazon that you...
No, the other things for the outfit.
Oh, for the outfit. Okay.
Those comes first before those coolers.
Okay. Could you put the scissors down, Maxwell? Maxwell, how old are you?
My question is...
Oh, Maxwell.
I have a question
Hold on.
Am I stressing you out?
No, you're not stressing me out. You're going to be 24.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
We don't celebrate birthdays, so I forgot. But October... When is it? October 9th.
No, that's Francois. I'm the day before.
Oh, October 8th. Oh, that's right. I forgot. I knew I had some kids born in October. Oh, October 8th you are. Oh, of course, yes.
For Francois the 9th.
And Francois the 9th. That's right. Sorry. Sorry.
So does this mean I'll be able to get my license without interference?
I don't know. You'll be how old?
24.
24. 24 years ago I gave birth. Maxwell B. Oh, I remember that day. That was very hard. Put the scissors down. Maxwell, stop. Okay.
I'm pretty sure I'm stressing you out.
You are very stressing me out.
Here, you're fine.
This is what mothering autism is all about. Put the scissors down. Maxwell, babe.
I like the sound of this shink.
All right, we're gonna go. Say goodbye. Have a good one.
Rah.